Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Daniel light tile. We're just doing a nice self-level pour. We poured this whole bathroom floor. It was pretty rough before it was all concrete. Prep, primered. We spray from the perimeter. We primered everything really good. There's our shower. Our shower pan's gonna go in there. We'll have a nice flat level area to install the pan to. Under the vanity is nice and level. The toilet area is nice and level. Closet. Right here at the threshold. So we're pretty happy with that. So we'll come back tomorrow and start prepping the shower walls, installing the pan, add some blocking, shimming the walls. Thanks for watching, guys. Daniel Light Tile.